My name is Dennis Landis. I've been involved in natural health care professionally since 1971. My wife has also. My wife is a doctor of chiropractic and naturopathy. We've always done our best to have cleanest food possible, best water possible. Well, I haven't drunk filter or tap water since 1971 or 72, and been involved with a number of different water filtering and purifying technologies, even in different structured water unit a number of years ago. So when someone came over to our house and had a handheld unit, we're not expecting much of anything. And some water was being filtered for a friend, and so I decided to take a sip, and my eyes popped open and I couldn't stop blabbering. And when I walked back upstairs, got the water from downstairs, I walked back upstairs and everybody that was here went, "Wow, your eyes are wide open." And so I had an experience. The body goes without food for weeks, goes without water for days, goes without breath for moments. The most important way to energize the system is through the breath. The second most important way is water. There's been a lot of research done through the years, a lot of people talking about the importance of water and healthy water, and the structure of water, how important it is. In the early 70s, Dr. Pop proved a lot of things about the physical body. It's a big sending and receiving antenna. And one of the things that he said is back then, we can no longer base health on biochemistry, because even the biochemistry is dependent upon the resonance. So here we have the structured water, wonderful resonance, very high, pure, clean stuff. It's a no-brainer. It's assisting the resonance of the whole field. And I'm very excited about the structured water with these units, and because I know that it works. And with that experience, it didn't matter to me how much the unit costs or how long it would take to get one. I knew that I was going to have one of these units. And so I have no qualms or reservations about recommending these units to anyone. I was sitting on a couch in the living room as the group of us were just blabbing, talking, and not really paying any attention to the ring in my hand. All of a sudden, after however many minutes, I had decided I needed to drop the ring, so I did, and left it on the couch for a few minutes, and then I picked it up again, and after a few more moments, yeah, my hand was really vibing again, so I set it back down. But that was really exciting. So immediately I decided that we needed to get some rings. These are great since they are energetically resonating at such a high frequency. They keep the system clear and clean. And one of the reasons to use this type of technology is for EMFs. And we've been involved in keeping our offices and homes cleaner and clean from EMFs since the 70s. And most of that technology that we knew about was just at harmonizing or balancing, neutralizing EMFs. And Dr. Marshall was the first one we met who had technology that didn't just neutralize, but actually converted emanations so they were helpful and beneficial for the human system, which is very exciting. And these rings do the same thing. They convert things like EMFs, so they're not detrimental to the human system, they're beneficial for the human system. We checked out the rings the first night, and in our testing, we found that they radiated 12 to 15 feet at least. And this isn't anything that one needs to take my word for or anyone else's word for. They need to test and investigate for themselves. Don't accept what anybody says ever. Go ahead and check it out for yourself.